So here's another update. It is about 5 o'clock, and this is Windermere and Milton. And you can see down there, let me see if I can zoom with one hand, 1 second. It's just crazy flooded right there. That's a low point on Milton. But it's like a caravan of something coming by. Yeah, it looks like their crew's helping out with something. I'm not sure what's going on, but we're stopping. So what's crazy is this is kind of a high point, so that's the roundabout right down there that's been flooded. And so this has kind of been high ground for a little bit, and they've got a number of people, a couple people who are sitting in their vehicle, but mainly people who just left their vehicles and walked or gotten picked up. And they've been sitting there. We brought this guy some food and water earlier. Neighbors let him use their bathroom. And we're just waiting. This rain just keeps going and going.